Alright, today I'm going to show you how to play 34 plus 35 by Ariana Grande. It goes a little something like this. And so on. Even though the chords are a little complicated in the song, there's really only 4 chords you have to learn for the entire song, and the hand movements between each chord are pretty simple. Let's go through those chords right now. So first up, we're going to have this chord. This is going to be a G minor 7 with a ninth. So here in the left hand, we'll have octaves. We'll play Gs. If you can't reach octaves, I would just play one at a time with one finger. But I'll play octaves. And then in the right hand, we're going to play B flat, D, and F. F is our 7th. And then the A, that's our 9th. So we have a G minor 7 with the 9th. Next up, we're going to go to this chord. This is a C7 with a flat 9th. As you can see here in the right hand, we're just going to take these top 3 notes and move them all down to here. So here we're going to have C octaves in the left hand, and we're going to have B flat, D flat, E, and G in the right hand. In this chord, B flat is our 7th and D flat is our flatted 9th. All right. Moving on, next up we have this chord, an F major 7 with the 9th. We'll have Fs in the left hand, A, C, and E. E is our 7th, and then G is our 9th. So as you can see from this chord before, in the right hand, we're really just moving down these 2 notes. Like that. Alright, so our last chord here is going to be this, a D7 with a flatted 9th. Here we'll have D octaves in the left hand, and we'll have A, C, E flat, and F sharp in the right hand. Here we have 1, 3, 5, 7, our C is our 7th, and then E flat is our 9th. But we're just going to play this note up here like this. So that's a D7 with a flat 9th. And then we go back to our original chord, G minor 7 with a 9th. And as you can see, moving from the F chord before, we're just going to move these top 2 notes down like this to get to our D7 flat 9 chord. So now all those chords in the progression together sound like this. And here, we can also work on adding some transition notes in the left hand. So after the C chord, before going on to the F, we're going to play this E as a transition note. And then when we play D, we can play this F sharp as a transition note to get to the G. So that'll sound like this. Just like that. Lastly, to add in the plucking pattern, we're just going to take our right hand and we're just going to go down 1 note at a time. Like that. And then do that for every chord. So together with the left hand, that'll sound like this. Once you get those chords down, you can try and spice it up however you like. And there you go. That is the whole song, 34 plus 35 by Ariana Grande. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. It really helps me and my channel grow, which is awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Leave a comment down below of what song you want to see next, and with that, have an awesome rest of your day. Bye bye.